Hello kids, today we are going to start our lesson of English. Class 1, lesson number 1. While we start a new lesson, we should know the name of the lesson. Now, what is the name of our lesson? It's Tarzan the Taxi Car. Now, we should know the spelling of our lesson. Now, that is Tarzan. Tarzan. Now, THE the TAXI taxi. CAR car. Tarzan the taxi car. And name of the lesson is Tarzan the taxi car. Now you must have heard about Tarzan. Who is Tarzan? Tarzan is a human being. We have heard कि टार्जन कौन है? टार्जन तो एक ह्यूमन बीइंग है. ह्यूमन बीइंग कहाँ पे रहता है टार्जन? So we have heard that Tarzan lives in the jungle. What he used to do in the jungle? He used to help the people of the jungle. जंगल के जो people होते हैं उनकी क्या करता है? Help people as well as the animals. जंगल में जो एनिमल्स रहते हैं वो उनकी क्या करता है? हेल्प करता है, उनको प्रोटेक्ट करता है फ्रॉम द अदर एनिमल्स. अदर जो बिग बिग एनिमल्स होते हैं, टार्जन क्या करता है? इफ दे वांट टू हर्ट द स्मॉल स्मॉल एनिमल्स, so what Tarzan used to do? It used to protect them. So that shows that Tarzan is the name of a person who is very caring and helpful. We are having Tarzan taxi car over here. Now what is taxi? Taxi क्या होती है? Taxi is the thing which takes us from one place to another. Taxi क्या होती है? Taxi वो होती है जो हमको एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस लेके जाती है. Now Tarzan is having a helpful nature. He is a human being. Secondly, you must have watched a movie. Movie देखा है ना सबने? Tarzan the Wonder Car. वंडर कार क्या करती थी? सब लोगों की हेल्प करती थी. सेम ये टैक्सी कार क्या करती है? ये सब लोगों की हेल्प करती है. अब कैसे हेल्प करती है? तो वहाँ ये यूज टू टेक द पीपल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. उन लोगों को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जाने में उनकी हेल्प करती है. बट इट्स अ मैजिकल कार. इट हैज मैजिक इन इट. एंड व्हाट इज द मैजिक? Magic is it don't have any driver over here. No one is driving the car. It is moving itself. कैसे चल रही है? अपने आप मूव हो रही है. And the most beautiful thing of this car is it looks very beautiful and a little car. Color of this car is blue. Color of this car is blue. Now what is the spelling of blue? B-L-U-E. Again we are going to repeat for one. B-L-U-E. This car color is of blue. Now one more thing is of blue color. We know that thing. We used to live below that thing. Now what is that? It's one above the sky. Sky is of blue color. Same is of taxi color. So you all understand now what is the color of car is blue. Now what it is doing? It is helping the people. How it is helping? It is taking the people from one place to another. In the city, when people are in need, जब people को कोई जरूरत होता है, this taxi car immediately moves to that person और वहाँ पे जाके वो stop हो जाती है. Then it blows its horn. अपनी गाड़ी को हॉर्न बजाती है. Then people come and sit inside the car. वो कार में बैठ जाते हैं. Then they used to speak. वो क्या बोलते हैं कि हमको यहाँ जाना है. तो this taxi car used to take them to their places. Most of all, it used to help the tourist people. Now, what are tourists? Tourists are the persons which are from out of state. Out of state का मतलब like we are the people. Where do we live? We all live in Gujarat. Now spelling of Gujarat is G-U-J-R-A-T. G-U-J-A-R-A-T. Spelling of Gujarat is G-U-J-A-R-A-T. We are the people, we are living in Gujarat. Now, from Gujarat, we move to Delhi. Where we move? We move to Delhi. Gujarat से we went to Delhi. Now, for the people of Delhi, Delhi के जो लोग हैं उनके लिए हम क्या हो गए? We are the tourists. T-O-U-R-I-S-T-S. Tourists. What we are? For the people of Delhi, we are the tourists. So T-O-U-R-I-S-T-S. Tourist. Now, most important thing is what are people? People क्या होता है? People means what? People means man is there, you are there, mama is there, papa is there, grandmother is there, grandfather is there. So we all together make people. A family and more than one person becomes like a people. एक लोग से जब ज़्यादा लोग साथ में होते हैं तो that are called people. P-E-O-P-L-E. Spelling of people P-E-O-P-L-E. Now, this car, the blue taxi car, the beautiful little car, what it is doing? It is helping the tourist people to take the tourist people one place to another. Now, when this tourist car is free, जब ये tourist car free होती है, at that time what it used to do? It used to help the people of the city. क्या करती है? City की people को help करती है. In this city, one person lives. His name is Mr. Oliver. What is the name? Mr. Oliver. So first of all, we learn the spelling of Mr. Oliver. M-R, Mr. dot O-L-I-V-E-R. Oliver. Mr. Oliver. Mr. Oliver is a person who also lives in the same city. जिस city में little taxi car हमारी रहती है, same city में who lives? Mr. Oliver. So what this car used to do? It used to take Mr. Oliver to the market. Where it is taking? To the market. Now market. First of all, we learn the spelling. M-A-R-K-E-T. Again, M-A-R-K-E-T. The spelling of market we got to know. Now, on which day it is taking? So it is taking him to the market on Sunday. Now, you all know about Sunday? Yes. What is Sunday? Sunday is a fun day for us. Why it's fun day? Because we all are having holiday. So on holiday, what we do? We enjoy with our parents. Our parents used to take us out, move from one place to another. घुमाने लेके जाते हैं, हमको ले जाते हैं ना पापा मम्मी. So on Sunday is a fun day for us. But this blue taxi car, it never takes rest. वो तो रेस्ट लेती ही नहीं है. What it used to do when it is free on Sunday? जब वो Sunday को free होती है ना, then also it used to take Mr. Oliver to the market. Now, what is which place is market? Market में क्या होता है? Market is the place where we get. क्या मिलता है हमको market में? Food. You all love to eat different kind of food? Yes. Now, food in the thing we love to eat like pizza. Then fruits are there. Fruits we can also get. So the spelling of fruits will be F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits, food, vegetables mama used to buy. Household things mama used to buy. We used to move with mother, father or the grandparents. We should not move alone to the market. हमको market में कभी भी अकेले नहीं जाना चाहिए. It is not safe. We should always go with mama, papa, otherwise grandmother or grandfather. And the most important thing that as this car is helping everyone, क्या कर रही है वो सबका हेल्प कर रही है. सो वी शुड ऑल्सो बी हेल्पफुल. अब हम कैसे हेल्पफुल रह सकते हैं? वी आर वेरी स्मॉल. हम कैसे हैं? वेरी स्मॉल. So what we should do? We should help our elders. How we can help our elders? We should obey them. हमको उनका बात सुनना चाहिए. अब how we should listen to them? As grandfather is there in the house and he is reading a newspaper. दादा हाउस में दादा क्या कर रहे हैं? He is reading a newspaper. So if he asks us, please bring my spectacles. I forgot. मैं तो अपना चश्मा भूल गया हूँ. How I am going to read? मैं कैसे पढ़ूंगा? So you immediately ran and bring her his spectacles. So what grandfather will do? He will going to give his blessing. That like this. God bless you. So what we are getting? We are getting blessings of our elders. In the same way, we can help our grandmother also. How we can help grandmother? Grandmother is old and if she is moving with her stick, अपने stick को hold करके if she is moving, so how we can help? We can ask her grandmother that grandmother, I am going to hold your hand. So how you can hold? Like this. You can hold your grandmother's hand and take her to the garden or bring her inside the house. Like this, you can help your grandmother. In the same way, we should help our father as well as the mother. Why? Because father is the person who is working so hard. For whom? For us. Why he is working hard? For us. He goes to the office, he goes to his farm and earn money for us. So we should help him by giving a glass of water. That is the help we are giving to father. In the same way, we can help our mother also. How? Mother used to work hard. She used to clean the house. She used to make you ready for the school. She used to give you the breakfast. She used to give you lunch as well as the dinner. So how you can help your mother? You can say to your mother that, Mama, you do your cooking work. I am going to pack my bag myself. If you are going to do like this, अगर आप ऐसा करेंगे मम्मा का हेल्प करने के लिए, so what she will do? She will make very tasty food for you, and the food you like the most, that food she will going to make for you. So how you will feel at that time? You will feel very happy. Now, as this taxi car, it is taking Mr. Oliver to the market on Sunday. Sunday we are having what? Holiday. But it is taking Mr. Oliver to the market. What it is giving? It is giving help to Mr. Oliver. So most importantly, what we should learn? We should learn the spelling of help. So what is the spelling of help? H-E-L-P. The spelling of help is H-E-L-P. So what we learn? That we should be helpful to everyone. Now, the other good qualities that our taxi car is having is what? The taxi car is living in the city. Taxi car कहाँ पे है? It is in the city. In the city, so many people are living. So one day, what happened? Mr. Smith also used to live in the city. एक दिन क्या हुआ? Mr. Smith जो city में रहते हैं, he used to go his office through city bus. जहाँ हम सिटी में रहते हैं, तो हमारे सिटी में बसेस चलती है. जैसे वी लिव इन हलवद, हम लोग जैसे हलवद में रहते हैं, तो हमको यहाँ से धांगध्रा जाना हो, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू कैरी? वी हैव टू मूव इन द बस. हमको बस में बैठ के जाना पड़ता है. देन सेम मिस्टर स्मिथ इज अ पर्सन हु इज यूज्ड टू मूव थ्रू सिटी बस. किसके थ्रू जा रहे हैं वो? सिटी बस. तो first of all, the spelling of city C-I-T-Y. The spelling of city is C-I-T-Y, and he is moving through bus. B-U-S. he is moving through city bus and his name is Mr. Smith. M-R, Mr. Dot S-M-I-T-H. Again we'll repeat. M-R, Mr. S-M-I-T-H. Mr. Smith used to take city bus to go to his office, but with his city bus he used to move to the railway station. Railway station. Now, what is the spelling of railway station? It's R-A-I-L-W-A-Y. Railway. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Railway station. Do you know which thing used to move on the railway station? Why we used to go to the railway station? Because trains are moving over there. Have you seen trains? Trains are moving over where? Railway station is a place where trains are moving. But does it move on the road? No. It moves on railway tracks. It moves on the railway track. Now, you should know the spelling of railway track. What is the spelling? R-A-I-L-W-A-Y. Railway. T-R-A-C-K-H. Railway track. Train doesn't move on road. It moves on the railway track. And the railway tracks are made up of iron, and the wheels of the trains are like this round, and these are the railway tracks. In between it has a magnet to move. It is having a magnet over here. So now the spelling of train is T-R-A-I-N. The spelling of train is T-R-A-I-N. What Mr. Smith used to do? He used to carry city bus to move railway station to take train from there. And in train, where he used to go? He used to go to his office. Where he is moving? He is moving to his office. Now, one day what happened? Mr. Smith missed his bus. Missed, spelling of miss, M-I-S-S-E-D. Miss. Miss मतलब छूट गई उनकी बस. As we used to get up early in the morning, हम फटाफट उठते हैं, रेडी होते हैं स्कूल आने के लिए. बट समटाइम्स ऐसा होता है कि हमको देर हो गया उठने में, फिर क्या होता है, स्कूल का बस चला जाता है. सेम Mr. Smith also, he woke up late. तो उनका जो बस था, it got missed. उनका बस छूट गया. So now what happened? This blue taxi car, what it did? It helped Mr. Smith. Again उसने क्या करा? उसने Mr. Smith को help करा. How it helped? It helped Mr. Smith to move to the station. To move to the station to carry the train. So he felt very happy. Who felt very happy? Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith बहुत खुश हुए and he thanked the blue taxi car. उन्होंने blue taxi car को क्या बोला? Thank you. Why? Because it helped him. So if someone is helping us, अगर हमारी कोई हेल्प करता है, say as we are in the class, अगर हम अपना बुक नहीं लाए हैं, स्कूल हम आते हैं, पेंसिल भूल गए हैं, इरेजर भूल गए हैं, and someone is helping us, so what we should say? We should say thank you to them. That shows that we are also very good and our nature should also be very helpful. हमारा नेचर भी कैसा होना चाहिए? Very helpful. Now, what did this car did? This car did help of so many persons. First of all, what it did? It helped the tourist people. then it helps the people of the city. But this taxi car used to obey so many things. The most important thing this taxi car used to obey is the traffic rules. So first of all, we learn the spelling of traffic. TRAFFIC. Again we will repeat. TRAFFIC. Traffic rules. RULES. What is the spelling of rules? RULES. This car used to obey all the traffic rules. What are the traffic rules? Traffic rules are, we should always walk on zebra crossing. We should always walk on zebra crossing. If we are human being, हम person हैं, हम चल रहे हैं, so we are person where we should move on zebra crossing. हमें road cross करना है, so how we should cross from zebra crossing? So we should learn the spelling. ZEBRA. Zebra. CROSSINT. Zebra crossing. But if car is moving, what it had to follow? अगर कार आ रही है, we are moving with our parents. अगर हम अपने parents के साथ कार में कहीं गए घूमने के लिए, so what we have to follow? We have to follow the traffic light signal. So first of all, what we should know the spelling of light. LIGHTS. The spelling of traffic light. TRAFFIC. Traffic. LIGHTS. Now traffic light. Traffic light. The red light. This is the red light. So what does red light say to us? What does red light say? When we are moving, then what does red light say? Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop, stop right away. So STOP, stop. RED, red. This is the red light, and what it is saying? It is saying us to stop. Now the second light is yellow. The second light is yellow. The spelling of yellow is YELLLOW. Again the same. Yellow light, what do you say? I say wait right away. That we still have to wait. We have to wait, or we have to get ready. We have to wait for the signal gets green. हमको थोड़ी देर वेट करना है जिससे कि सिग्नल क्या हो जाए? ग्रीन हो जाए. And be ready also. Why? Ready क्यों हो जाना है? Because immediately when the signal will be green, जैसे ही signal green हो जाएगा, we have to move from here. So the spelling of wait, WAIT. Spelling of wait, WAIT. And spelling of ready, READY. READY. These are the two signals. Now the third signal is green color. The third signal is of green. The spelling of green is GREEN. Spelling of green is GREEN. Now again the same thing. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. What the green light is saying? Now it's the time to move. So it is saying to go away. Now the spelling of go is GO, go. Then the spelling of away is AWAY. Now what it is saying, it's the time to move. अब टाइम है, अब हमको वॉक कर लेना चाहिए. Now these are the rules of the traffic lights. Now if you are moving with your parents on a bike or on a scooter or inside the car, you should always follow the traffic rules. That is very 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 important. Otherwise we can make an accident. अगर हम ट्रैफिक सिग्नल फॉलो नहीं करेंगे, we might have an accident. So we should always follow. If we are moving with father somewhere and he is not wearing helmet, so what we should say, Papa, do wear the helmet, it is safe. When you are moving outside on a bike, you should wear a helmet. That is for the bike. Now if you are moving inside the car, so what you should say, suppose this is your seat, okay, you are sitting over here, and what you should wear, you should always have a seat belt. You should always wear a seat belt. Spelling of seat belt is SEATBELT. We should always wear a cross seat belt. Which kind of seat belt is there in the car? If father is driving a car, he is having a seat belt on his side. So you should take a seat belt in here and tab it over here. यहाँ पे इसको लॉक कर देते हैं. Why? Because while driving, if father used to push up a brake, अगर वो ब्रेक दबाएंगे तो you will not come in front. आप safely आराम से बैठ सकते हैं. Father should also tie, and if you are sitting next to your father, you should also tie a belt. That are the safety rules that we have to follow. And the other thing, when taxi car is moving, taxi car is used to follow all the rules. सारे rules को follow करती है. If we are moving and we are walking over there, or we are having a bicycle, or we are walking over there, we should always walk on zebra crossing. Why? That is meant for us to move. हमको move करने के लिए. But most importantly, if traffic lights are over there and the traffic light is green, then what we should do? We should stop. If we are moving on zebra crossing, अगर हम zebra crossing पे walk कर रहे हैं, तब हमको green light पे walk नहीं करना है. At that time, green light is for the vehicles. Green light is for the vehicles. Vehicles are car, scooter, bicycle, bus, truck. The green light gives the signal to those people who are moving through the bus, car, scooter. So they used to move when the signal is green. Now, what does taxi car do? Taxi car helps so many people. So everyone used to thank. Everyone used to say thank you to this taxi car. Why everyone is saying thank you? Because it is helping everyone in so many different ways. When it used to follow the traffic rules, what he saw? He saw over there that so many small children of the school were moving. छोटे छोटे स्कूल के बच्चे जो हैं, they were crossing the road to move to the school. So what this taxi car did? Taxi car ने क्या करा? It moved over there and stopped. वो वहाँ पे जाके रुक गई. Then children immediately say that why you have stopped over here? So what does taxi car say? Right now the signal is green, so you should not cross the road. Why you are crossing? Wait, you should not cross. This green signal is for me because I am a little car. So the children immediately stopped, and this little car saved the small children. What is the spelling of little? L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Spelling of little? L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. And the most important thing about Tarzan is what? It has a magic in it. As we move in the car, father is driving, mother is driving, grandfather used to drive, or grandmother used to drive. But this is the car that no one is driving. No one is sitting over here. It has its steering. इसका यहाँ पे क्या है? एक steering है. And it used to move by itself. No one is moving the car. It is moving by itself. And what car used to do? When it used to do, someone in the need. जब भी उसको लगता है कि नहीं अब तो किसी पर्सन को मेरी जरूरत है, तो वो वहां पे जाके स्टॉप हो जाती है. You can see how many tires are there in the car. How many tires? We can see 2 tires over here. What we can see? How many tires? 2. 1 and 2. Spelling of 2, TWO. But the car used to have how many tires? 4 tires. We can see only the one side of the car. हमको कितना साइड दिख रहा है कार का? Only one side. Rather than car used to have how many tires? It used to have 4 tires. So we should know the spelling of tire also. 4 TYRE. How many tires it is having? 4 tires. TYRES. And after that, what it is having? It is having the most important thing is it immediately knows that someone is in the need. Again, we are going to recall whole of the thing. Again, the name of the lesson was Tarzan the Taxi Car, and this car is the small, little, and the helpful car. It used to help the people of the city.